Hey, this is Donovan Guyett, and I wanted to personally thank you for letting me help you launch your own profitably scalable multi-site startup. In less than 24 hours, I'll have you up and running on a platform that will allow you to accomplish everything inside of the profitability blueprint. What I'd like you to do now is take a few minutes to review some quick videos that will help you to get started once you gain access to your multi-site startup. These videos are designed to be very quick so that you can review them once, twice before you get started. And then once you have access to the actual platform, then you can come back and use them to dig in and actually take action. That's my biggest goal for you here, is to get you up and running quickly and to get you the answers to the questions that you're likely to have as soon as you get access to your platform. They're not meant to be detailed tutorials. We'll certainly dive into those things later on. But what I really want you to do is gain momentum quickly so that you can start building out some templates for your ideal client avatars and then quickly move on to launching those templates with real live customers. So feel free to dig into the videos. They're all very short, and to come back to them as soon as you get access to your multi-site startup. Thanks.